Hey guys, this is Maria from social.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make a white background for Instagram posts. If you want to add white frames to your Instagram posts, then PicsArt app can help you. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can create a white frame. Firstly, go to Google Play Store and find the PicsArt photo editor app. Click to download it. Once it will be installed into your phone, go and open it. Press on the plus button and choose the image from your camera roll. On the editing panel, go right until you find the border option. Tap it. Make sure that the outer and inner borders color is set white. Now select the border's thickness and click on the checkmark icon in the top right corner. Once the image is ready, hit the arrow icon tap the share button choose Instagram, hit next and select feed option. Now upload the post as you would normally do. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make a white background for Instagram posts. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at social.com.